So guys, here let me just show you what you have to do to fix this data connection problem. So basically it's very easy and simple step I'm going to show you. You have to just go to your phone settings on your Android, whatever phone might be, it will be solving your problem. You are using Samsung, Vivo, Oppo, or any of the mobile phone, but these tricks will be similar to every Android phone. So here what you need to do, you have to go to settings of your phone. Here this type of interface will be pop up. I'm using this tricks on Realme, but you can use in any of the device. So here, after going to your phone settings, what you have to do, you have to go to SIM card and mobile network or mobile data, or there will be an option like mobile network option on your device on Samsung or any device. So just go to this. It's same in every device, it's same. So you have to select the SIM card. If you have double SIM card, then you have to select the particular SIM card where those your data is available. So here let me just go for sim1, and then this type of interface will pop up. So what you need to do here, guys, just you have to scroll down, and here you will find an option access point. So make sure to get this point easily. This is the only thing you have to get on your settings. Just simply tap on this access point option, and then here what you need to do here, I'm going to show you what you have to do here. So you can see here this is the global Vodafone Connect, and here Vodafone MMS. So what you need to do here, you can see plus icon on the top right corner. Simply tap on this plus icon. So after clicking to this plus icon, here this type of interface will be pop up. So after getting this type of interface, you have to simply tap on name here. So you have to give any name. So let me just go for any of the name. You can give your name also, so but let me just go for my channel name, random and random tech, and click on OK. So after this, what you have to do, you have to write, you have to just click on the second option, APN. Simply click on APN, and then here let me just explain you. You have to write APN for through your SIM card. You can see here on the screen, this is the code that you have to apply here for a particular SIM card. If you're using Vodafone, then for Vodafone it's like Vodafone www, and for Airtel you have on your screen, you can see, or for Idea you have other, for Airtel you have others. So you can just go for whatever SIM card do you have. So now here you have to let me just so here you have to write, let me just show you, VODAFO, Vodafone www. Okay, so it's Vodafone www, and click on OK. Now here what you have to do, you don't need to touch anything. You have to just scroll down, and here you can see APN protocol. So simply tap on APN protocol, and then you have to select the latest features, that is IPv4, IPv6. This is the last one, so you have to select this, and then here you can see APN roaming protocol. Simply tap on APN, and you have to select the same here. Now here it's done. Just click on the save option, and then here you can see this is the one that I have already connected, the new access point. So simply tap here, and then you can go and check it out whether your problem has been solved or not. So if your application is not working again, then no need to worry. I'm gonna show you the best tricks here, the last and final tricks. You have to go to settings once again. So after going to your phone settings, here you have if you have your settings, then you just need to search for network reset. So if you search like this, and if you get the network reset option, just tap there. So but let me just go from here. You can see here, just let me just go here. Where is the option here? Let me just search for the option. If you find the option that is reset network, then you have to just reset your network. And if you don't find the option reset network, then you just need to search for reset system settings only. Simply tap here, enter your lock screen passcode, and then you have to reset your system settings only. After that, you have to reboot or restart your device. The problem will absolutely solve.